the now retired chief of Irondequoit police pleading guilty to tax-related charges in federal court this afternoon.
Former Chief Alan Laird admitting to his contributions of defrauding the IRS out of more than $5 million from a security business he co-owned with another defendant over the course of 5 years. Isabel Garcia was in court today. She joins us now with the latest. Isabel.
Yes, good afternoon to both of you. Alan Laird pleaded guilty to filing a false tax report related to a business he co-owns. Swoop One Inc. is a security guard service operating out of Irondequoit, where payments to the company were typically made in check form. Laird and his business partner, Stephen Rosenbaum, who's charged separately, cashed those payments as opposed to depositing the checks into the corporate bank account and paying them off. Now, this was done using a local check cashing business, and they would pay some or all of their hundreds of employees in cash. Now, Laird's demeanor in court was very quiet and reserved this afternoon, answering all of Judge Wolford's questions with a simple yes or no. The security business provides security to various high schools, businesses, and performing arts centers across the Rochester area. The time period when this allegedly happened is between 2016, when Laird became co-owner of Swoop One, and 2021. He was named chief of police of Irondequoit in 2020 and retired in November of last year. The classification of the business is the reasoning behind the connection to Laird's personal tax returns.
And Swoop One being an S corporation, that corporation doesn't pay taxes. The income or the net profit is supposed to flow through to your personal tax returns, and that's where the income gets paid. So the false tax return was really the personal tax return, which is where you're supposed to report it and then pay the appropriate taxes.
And defense attorney James Noble did not give comment after court today. Laird was required to give up his passport and is not permitted any international travel. He was released on his own recognizance and is scheduled for sentencing December 20th. For now, we'll send things back to you at the desk.
Isabel, thank you. And Rosenbaum is scheduled to be sentenced just before Laird the same day. The business is currently still in operation.